Hi everyone, it's been a long time since I created a video, but this one is about our Saturday morning until noontime. Unang bumangon si Ellie para mamalengke kasi hindi ko siya masamahan kasi kailangang may magbabantay kay Ikay since tulog pa siya. And mas okay din kasi nakamotor siya, hindi na kailangang mamasahe kumbaga. Lately, parang gusto kong bumalik sa pagbabasa. Limited pa rin naman yung time ko for that. Perfect tong book na binili ko before pa, like few years back, 1 Minute with God. Although, hindi siya sufficient. I mean, you still need to read the Bible. But I must say na I have a lot of realizations dito sa book nito. So, for those who are interested, you can grab this one. Kasi marami mga bagay na alam na natin, narinig na natin before, but we just need to be reminded of. Like having time for ourselves. A friend of mine recommended a stepper. Actually, gusto ko talaga treadmill pero medyo mas mahal kasi siya. Ito kasi 1,100 lang pero ang ganda na ng intensity niya for me. Nakakapagod na siya. As in, nagagamit ko pa lang siya ng ilang days pero I must say, mas magaan yung pakiramdam ko. Although, medyo may sakit sa muscles, of course. Ang maganda dito, pwede mo siyang samahan ng pull rope para na-exercise din yung arms mo, not just your legs. Tingin ko nandun ako sa era na gusto ko nang bumalik dun sa healthy weight ko. Kaya nagkaroon ako ng courage para gumawa ng mga healthy snacks and healthy breakfast. I started with overnight oats. And last night, I baked rolled oats banana. Wala siyang flour, wala rin siyang honey, walang sugar. Pero sobrang sarap niya kasi yung natural sweetness ng banana yung malalasahan niyo talaga. After mamalengke ni Ellie, doon lang kami nag-breakfast. And it's really good that there is someone who is supporting you and actually joining you on your weight loss journey. That actually makes it even more interesting and enjoyable at the same time. Another thing that I spend much time lately is preparing for healthy snacks. So, pinapabaunan ko rin ito si Ellie. So, meron kaming dapat sliced vegetable and fruits. And also salad. But this time, I have here dragon fruit, cucumber, and apple. Traditionally talaga, mga babae yung naiiwan sa bahay for homemaking. But now in the modern world, like ako, may trabaho ako, although stay-at-home mom ako. And then, si Ellie may work din. Since pares kaming may work, hati rin kami sa homemaking. So may mga bagay na siya yung nagmamanage, na siya yung gumagawa mostly. And then meron namang ako. Like for him, yung budgeting, dun siya nakatoka, pagluluto, and then pagmamanage nung backyard namin. And then ako naman sa loob, like maghuhugas, paghalaga kay Ikay, paglilinis, paglalaba. Minsan ako naman yung naghuhugas, siya naman yung naka-assign kay Ikay, siya naman yung nagliligpit. So rotational rin talaga. And that's what I am really thankful for. For those young men out there na may plan to get married soon or in the future, it's really better to know the fundamentals of, homemaking. And keep in mind that your wife is your partner, not your kasambahay. Especially kung may sariling career yung wife nyo, you have to help them. That's the key word. Help them. Be with them. Be present. And for wives, don't be ashamed to ask your husband for help. Minsan kasi may mga taong kailangan lang talagang i-push, kailangan lang talagang sabihan para ma-realize nila yung mga bagay na kailangan nilang ma-realize. Maybe they just don't know that you need help, so why not tell them? O siya, dyan na muna kayo, maglalakad-lakad lang ako. Bye! Thank you for watching!